solve equations using quadratic formula. You know formula? Forgot. Now it is not in the shape of a quadratic equation. We have to frame. We have to bring it out. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is a general form of a quadratic equation. Then the formula is roots formula. X is equal to minus p plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. First of all, we have to x minus 1 and x minus 2 plus x minus 3 by x minus 4 is equal to 3 1 by 3. Addition of a fraction. How to solve this? By the method of LCM. So what is the LCM here? For x minus 2 and x minus 4, there is no common table. So x minus 2 into x minus 4. X minus 2 how many times it goes? X minus 4 times it goes. So x plus 1, x minus 1 into x minus 4. Plus is there means right plus, minus it is there means right minus. Now x minus 4 how many times it goes? X minus 2 times it goes. So x minus 2 into x minus 3. So extended part. This is mixed fraction. Change into improper fraction. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 3. Able to follow. Now multiply x into x. First division part. X into x, x square minus plus into minus minus x into 4, 4x minus into plus minus 1x is x minus into minus plus 1 4s are 4. Now second term x into x, here plus is there plus x square plus into minus minus 3x minus into plus minus 2x minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6. So plus 6 divided by denominator also multiply x into x, x square plus into minus minus 4x minus into plus minus 2x minus into minus plus 2 4s are 8 is equal to 10 by 3. Now see the like terms and simplify. X square plus x square is 2x square minus 4x minus 1 minus 5x minus 3x minus 8x minus 2 minus 10x minus 10x 4 plus 6 10 divided by denominator also simplify x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 10 by 3. Now do cross multiplication. 3 into 2x square minus 10x plus 10 is equal to cross multiplication 10 into x square minus 6x plus 8. Still we did not get. We are going on doing. So now multiply with 3. Multiply with 3 2s are 6. 6x square plus into minus minus 3 10s are 30x. So minus 30x plus into minus plus into plus 3 10s are 30. So plus 30 is equal to 10 table everyone knows. 10 into x square, 10x square, 10x square, plus into minus, minus 10 6 are 60, so minus 60x. Next, plus into plus, plus 10 8s are 80, plus 80, plus 80. Now bring everything to one side. These you bring to that side, left side ones to right side, because 10x square minus 6x square minus 60x plus 30x plus 80 minus 30 is equal to 0. Now simplify like terms. 10 minus 6 is 4, so 4x square minus 60 plus 30 means minus 30x. 80 minus 30 means plus 50 is equal to 0. 2 table is common. 2x square minus 15x plus 25 is equal to 0. Now, for which number we have to find factors? 2 into 25. 225 is how much? 50. We have to find factors for 50. When we multiply, 50 should come. When we simplify, minus 15 should come. 50 is different, 15 is different. Pronunciation a little bit, slight change. 50, 15, what is this? Minus 15. For plus no need. If you write plus or not, no problem. Factors. So, minus 10 minus 5 is minus 15. Minus 10 into minus 5. Minus into minus plus 10 5s are 50. Minus 10 minus 5 is minus 15. Now apply. 2x square minus 10x minus 5x plus 25 is equal to 0. Here we got the quadratic equation shape. But now they are asking to find not factorization. They are asking to find what? Sorry. They are asking to find formula method. We are going to find formula. Through formula. What is roots formula? Roots formula. When they ask formula, you have to do compulsory formula only. Should not go for factors. So, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. If they did not ask, just they asked to solve, you can do that factors method, no problem. But when they ask in question, formula method, compulsory formula method. Is easy, no sir? No. If they ask, you have to do. If they did not ask, you are willing to. Now, minus, here, a is what? Here a is 2. B is what? Minus 15. C is what? 25. In the place of minus b, minus of minus 15 plus or minus square root of b square minus 15 whole square minus 4ac minus 4, what is a? 2 into, what is c? 25 divided by 2a, 2 into 2. Able to follow? Now, minus into minus, plus. So, plus 15, plus or minus square root of 15 15s. 2 minus into minus plus 15 15s, 225 minus 425s are 100. 100 into 2, 200 by 4. Now that is equal to 15 plus or minus, from 225, if we take 200, square root of 25 by 4. What is the square root of 25? 5. So that is equal to 15 plus or minus 5 by 4. What is the meaning of plus or minus? One time you are going to write plus, another time you are going to write minus. So 15 plus 5 by 2 or 15 minus 5 by, sorry, here 4. 4. Now you can solve and you can find the answer. Can you write the answer? 20 by now 15 plus or minus square root of 25 by 4. 15 plus or minus, what is the square root of 25? 5 by 4. That is equal to 15 plus 5 by 4 or 15 minus 5 by 4. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 by 4 or 15 minus 5 is 10. 10 by 4. 2 table goes. 2 tens are 20. 2 twos are 4. Again 2 goes. 5 times. Directly 5 fours are 20. Here 2 table. 2 goes 5 times. 2 goes 2 times. So what is the answer? X is equal to 5 comma 5 by 2. 5 comma 5 by 2. That is the answer. Solve for x and give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. 15th problem. 3x square minus 32x plus 15 is equal to 0. Here a is 3, b is equal to 32 and c is equal to 12. They are asking to solve through roots formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus of minus 32 because b value is minus 32. Formula minus, problem minus. Plus or minus square root of minus 32 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 12 divided by 2 into 3. Minus into minus plus 32 plus or minus square root of minus into minus plus 32 is 1024 minus 4 3 is 12. 12 12 144 divided by 6. 2 3s are 6. Now 32 plus or minus, if you subtract 1024 minus 144, you will get 880. Square root of 880. This is not a perfect square. We are going to find through long division method, or you can use log table books. In the 9th class we have learned logarithms, how to solve square root of 880. And this is another method, long division method. Keeping, they ask here 2 decimal places, so after decimal 2 zeros, because under bar 2 digits should be there. Under every bar 2 digits. 1 2 3 and this is 1 is remaining, 8, 1 digit is remaining. For this the nearest square you have to take. 2 2s are 4. Why I am not taking 3? 3 3s are 9 more. So we can't take. 2 2s are 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Next bar is 80. That bar you have to bring down. 80. 2 will be, again 2 you have to add, double it. 2 again add 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. How many times it goes means 9 times. So 9, right here 9 and here also 9. 9 into 49. 9 49s are 441. Subtract, 39 will come. Here decimal is there, put the decimal here. Next bar is zeros. So 3900. Here one more 9 you add. 49 plus 9 is 58. 6 times it goes. So right here 6 and here 586 into 6. If you multiply 3516. Subtract 384 will come. Subtract here 9, here 10, here 4 will come. 9 minus 1 is 8. Here 8 will be there. 8 minus 5 is 3. 384. One more bar is there because 2 digits there after decimal. So that bar you bring 2 more zeros. Here one more 6 you add. The last digit how much is there? That much you add. Here you added 9. Here you added 2. Here you got to add 6. 12 plus 1 9. So 592. 592. 6 times it goes. 6. So 5926 into 6. If you multiply 35,556. Subtract 2844. They ask up to 2 decimals. 2 decimals enough. This is long division method. In 8th class we have learned seeing logarithms and finding answers. In 9th class we have learned. So you will have log books. Seeing that one you can write this value. What is the square root of 880 means 29.66. Now 32 plus or minus. One time you take plus, another time you take minus. When you take plus, 61.66 came by 6. When you subtracted 2.34 by 6 came. Divide by 6, 10.27, or divide here also by 6, 0.39. They asked 2 decimals only. If they ask 3 decimals, you have to go for one more. Are you able to follow? If they ask only 1 decimal, 1 decimal you have to write. See the question and answer. Solve for x the quadratic equation x square minus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. This is the quadratic equation they gave. X square minus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 8. And the roots formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is equal to minus of minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 8 divided by 2 into 1. Minus into minus plus, so plus 4 plus or minus into minus plus 4 4 16. Minus into minus plus 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32 divided by 2. So 4 plus or minus square root of 16 plus 32 is 48. Find prime factors. 2 goes 24, 2 goes 12 times, 2 goes 6 times, 2 goes 3 times. For 2 2's, 1 2 you write. For 2 2's, 1 2 you write. And for 3 there is no perfect square, so root 3 only. So 2 2's 4, 4 root 3. In the place of 48 you can write as 4 root 3. Easy method. On the whole 2 table is common. 2 goes 2 times, 2 goes 2 times, 2 goes 1 time. And what is the remaining? 2 plus or minus 2 root 3. 2 plus or minus 2 root 3. One time plus you write, another time minus you write. 2 plus 2 root. We know the value of root 3, 1.732. 2 into 1.732 or 2 minus 2 into 1.732. 2 plus 3.464. If you multiply this one, 3.464 or 2 minus, one time you are adding, one time you are subtracting. When you add, you will get 5.464. When you subtract it, minus 1.464. Here they are asking the question, 3 significant figures. Means right from the beginning you have to count the numbers, digits. 1, 2, 3. This is, they ask 4 significant, this also will come. If they ask 2 significant, 5.4 only. 2 significant figures. If they ask 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. The fourth one you should exclude. You should not write. Okay, that is the meaning of 3 significant figures.